a quick video covering the TiAL QRJ boost control valve, fully recirculating, and installing it on the 2015 Subaru WRX. The TiAL QRJ does not fit in the stock location. It is significantly larger than the stock bypass valve and therefore needs to be installed typically as part of an adapter to your front mount intercooler or aftermarket charge pipe. I installed my QRJ with my PRL front mount intercooler setup as actually an add-on option, and really I believe the only difference between the stock location type bypass valve and the TiAL QRJ with PRL is a slightly different hose that connects between the boost controller and your turbo inlet. With the QRJ and the PRL front mount intercooler, you do need two adapter flanges, part number 004881 for the 34mm fitting and part number 004812 for the 1-inch fitting. Those two fittings are what you need to couple to the PRL charge pipe as well as the turbo inlet. Overall, the TiAL QRJ sounds almost like an actual bypass valve that isn't fully recirculating, and overall performance seems to be great. No leaking or leak issues noted, and believe it's probably one of the better options if you are running an aftermarket charge pipe or front mount intercooler. Here are a couple quick videos just showing how the TiAL QRJ sounds cruising around. Nothing fancy, but should give a little bit better idea of how it sounds sitting inside the car as you're driving around.